let me tell you what happened to many beginners. You buy a coin, so the chart is green. You feel happy because you are in the profit side. So you sell, then you check your wallet balance, and suddenly your balance is going down. At this point, you are confused or maybe even scared. You start asking, is Axiom cheating me? Is my wallet hacked? What is going on? Don't worry. Don't forget, what we are treating is to know what is eating your wallet balance, how to avoid those things so as to protect your funds and maximize your profit. Charts can confuse you, but your wallet balance tells the truth. So even if you make small profits, if your fees are bigger, my dear, you are actually losing money. Yes, you are actually losing money. Most time, new trader, like most of you watching me here now, you can't tell me that it has never happened to you where you will see coin like this, click on it, something like this. And the moment you enter trade like this, instantly it will rock pull. You will see red coming down, wham, immediately. Like my own, I have already set some of these things. You will hardly see coin that will do that for me here. You have to set it. The spoiled orange you want to go and sell costs just $10, and your transport cost to go sell it costs you $200. So you spend $200, you get $10, then you lose $190. Remember this, not every loss should be fixed. Some losses should be left alone. Have you ever seen your trade profit, but wallet is going down? It feels confusing, right? In today's video, Memecoin trading on Axiom, why you see your profit, but your balance reduces tutorial. I'm going to explain this in the simplest way possible, so you never fall into this trap again. Before we continue, quick disclaimer, this video is for educational purposes only. I am not giving financial advice and I'm not promising profits. Memecoin trading involves risk, and you should always do your own research and make careful decisions. Let me tell you what happened to many beginners. You buy a coin, so the chart is green. You feel happy because you are in the profit side. So you sell, then you check your wallet balance, and suddenly your balance is going down. Or maybe this one, you sell a coin, but instead of your money increasing, your balance reduces even more. So at this point, you are confused or maybe even scared. You start asking, is Axiom cheating me? Is my wallet hacked? What is going on? Don't worry. Nothing is broken. You just don't understand how the system works yet. Okay, let me explain it like I am teaching a child. What is a memecoin? A memecoin is a type of cryptocurrency that moves very fast, goes up quickly, and can crash very fast. It is mostly driven by hype. Yes, it is mostly driven by hype, not strong value. Another one, what is Axiom? Axiom is a trading platform where you buy memecoins, sell memecoins, and trade very fast. It runs on Solana blockchain. Do you get that aspect? Don't forget, what we are treating is to know what is eating your wallet balance, how to avoid those things so as to protect your funds and maximize your profits. So we are still on the point. Now, what is wallet balance? Wallet balance is your real money here, what you actually own. Very important. Charts can confuse you. You see the chart? Yes, charts can confuse you, but your wallet balance tells the truth. Here are your charts now. You will be seeing profits. When you enter market, you'll be seeing profit. You will be seeing how much you have earned, but reality is in your wallet balance. Let's talk about the hidden cost of trading. Every time you trade, you pay fees. Think of it like this. Network fee equals to road fee. Priority fee equals to fast lane fee. Then we have extra fee. That one is tip. So even if you make small profits, if your fees are bigger, my dear, you are actually losing money. Yes, you are actually losing money because fees have chopped your profit. Let me give you a simple example. You make a profit of $1,000, but the fees cost you $1,500. Do you get it now? Or let's say you make a profit of 1,000 naira, but the fees cost you 1,500 naira. Final result, you lost 500 naira or $500. You just lost it. This is why your balance reduces. Another one is what we call slippage. Is it slippage or slippage? Slippage is a silent thief. Slippage simply means you agree to buy higher or sell lower if the price changes. Let me give you a simple example. You want to buy bread for $100. Seller says, if price becomes $140, will you still buy? If you say yes, that is high slippage and that is dangerous. Let me show you here. You see slippage here. Under buy settings, there is slippage for it. If I click on sell settings, you will still see all of these things there. Slippage, priority, bribe, and so on. So you set slippage for buy and selling. For proper safe slippage settings and advanced guidance, check the link in the pinned comment or description to this video to join Sheidaro Crypto Academy, where everything is already simplified. It's simplified for you with step-by-step guide. The trade covers memecoin trading, future trading, spot trading, and many more. Course materials are there. One-on-one, we are going to schedule when to meet. Irrespective of the country where you're watching me from. I know you're always busy. We can schedule time to be meeting time to time until you get it right. Now, let's go. Another one is liquidity. This means, can you really sell? Liquidity is telling you how easy is it to buy or sell a coin. For example, if only two people are selling rice in a market, price jumps fast, price crashes very fast. Same thing happens in Memecoin. So low liquidity simply means danger. So you have to take note of this. Liquidity, very, very important. Another one is Mevbots. See, all these things I'm listing for you, these are the things that make you to feel like you make profit when you trade in reality, but your wallet keeps draining. So don't forget our points. Next one is Mevbots. This is Mevbots. Mevbot is invisible attackers. These are robots that seize your trade, buy before you, sell after you, so they make profit, you lose. That is why protection settings matter in this MEV mode. Now, let's talk about the biggest problem. What is a rug pull? Rug pull is when developer removes money from the coin. Most time, new trader, like most of you watching me here now, you can't tell me that it has never happened to you where you will see coin like this, click on it, something like this. And the moment you enter trade like this, instantly it will rug pull. You will see red coming down, wham! Immediately. As you enter trade like this, immediately it will rug pull, wham! If you have not experienced this, no. I know. Please drop it for us in the comment section. Your experience about rug pull. Let many people learn. Many people's eye don't see when it comes to memecoin trading. Please, your own experience, what you encounter, drop for us. Let us learn. After all, we are here to learn. It has been automated. Developer removes money immediately you enter trade. Wham! It removes money from the coin. And that is rug pull. Your money don't go. That is price problem. Developer removes money from the coin. Price crashes to almost zero. So nobody can really buy it again. Like my own, I have already set some of these things. You will hardly see coin that will do that for me here. You have to set it. If you enter market anyhow, see, there are thousands of scam coins as you are seeing it. Every second is entering. But look at it now, you will hardly see new coin coming in because I have already put settings in place. If I don't put it here now, as I'm talking, you'll be seeing different coins. Boom, 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 boom. But I have filter noise out. It's all about settings. That is why if you say, guys, come for one-on-one, let us educate you properly. Many of you will feel like maybe watching YouTube tutorials can help you in all. YouTube tutorial is good, it can help you, but there are many things that still need personal coaching. If you want to be part of us to join Sheidaro Crypto Academy, check the pin comment or description to this video to be part of us. So why your balance reduces when you sell? This is the part many people don't understand even till now. Let me explain it like a child. You have a spoiled orange. Nobody wants to buy it. Market says it's worth $10 or 10 naira or whatever, wherever you're watching me from. But for you to go and sell it, you have to take transport. Now, your transport costs $200. So you spend $200, you get $10. Then you lose $190. Is that clear? Please, if you're very new to my YouTube channel, give me a like on this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel. You have questions, drop it for me in the comment section and I'm going to respond to that as soon as possible. Then I am begging you, please share this video, guys. Share this video. I am begging. Thank you, guys. Do you get it now? You just lost $190. So same thing happens in Axiom. When a coin is rugged, there is no real liquidity, there are no buyers, the coin value is almost zero, but you still pay fees to go sell. Haba. So every time you click on sell button, you are basically paying money to get almost nothing. Let me give you this important truth. Just because you see a sell button, because when you are rug pulled, you will still see sell button. If you don't know, this is what is affecting you. You rug pulled, but that same coin, you will still see the button, sell button in front of that same coin. You feel like maybe there is hope or something, and you may click it. You click means you are still paying money. I think I've cleared that one. Don't let me go back again. So just because you see sell button does not mean selling is smart. In fact, it only means the system is still active, not that your money is recoverable. No. Now, why your balance drop fast? It dropped fast because you sell, you lose. You sell again, you still lose. You try again, you still lose again. Meanwhile, the coin gives you almost nothing back. Now, let me give you a solution. Do not sell a fully rugged coin. What you should do instead, option 1, ignore it. Yes, that is the best decision ever. Ignore it. Don't sell, don't touch, just leave it there. Why? No more fees, no more losses. Option 2, burn the token. Some wallets allow you to remove useless tokens. Cleaner wallets, less temptation. So only do this if the cost to clean it is very small. That is option 2. And not all wallets have this option to burn. Not all. Now, what not to do? I want to give you what not to do. After you have been rug pulled, don't keep clicking on sell again. Don't increase slippage to force sell. 3, don't chase losses. What is gone is gone. That is how people lose more money. And if you are to even sell at all, let me give you a simple check before you will sell. Ask yourself, is liquidity almost zero? Is value entry tiny? Are fees higher than the value? If yes, then do not sell. So if this video helped you understand what is really happening behind the scenes, please like this video, drop a comment. I understand now. Share this video with someone who is confused about the trading already. And most importantly, if you want to stop making bigger mistakes and start trading like someone who understands the game properly, I highly recommend you join Sheidaro Crypto Academy. Inside this academy, I break everything down step by step. Safe trading strategies, proper settings, real examples, beginner to advanced guidance, and many more. So the link to join is in the pinned comment and also in the description to this video. Remember this, not every loss should be fixed. Some losses should be left alone. So trade smart, protect your wallet. Guys, these 2 videos is very important. I recommend you go watch them. So I love you guys. Till next time, see you guys in my next videos.